This is Jush, the studying first year in Savita School of Engineering. Now we have to discuss about introduction to data warehousing. This is the introduction to data warehousing. Data warehousing. These are the users, user one and user two, and number of users is the used in here. And this is the sources, that is source one, source two, and number of sources. Data warehousing is the central location where consolidated data and the multiple locations are stored. The end user's access of whatever he needs some information. And the next topic is decision support system. This is the decision support system. Decision support system is the methodology or a series of methodologies designed to extract information from data to use such information as the best from decision making. ADSs usually requires extensive data massing to produce information. And next topic is operational various decision support system. Decision support system. Decision support data tends to cover a long time frame. Operational data covers a short time frame. And decision historical aggregate multiple sources denormalized data, immediate detailed internal to the system normalized. Interface, intuit, interface, complex. Support storage, decision making, support day-to-day transition. And the next topic is architecture of data warehousing. This is the architecture of data warehousing. Data warehousing, data mart, and data mart. This is the data mining. From here to here, ETL staging area, and this is the external sources, the S1 and S2, S3. And the next topic is ELT, OLAP, and data cubes. First, we have to discuss about ELT. What is ELT? ELT is a processor in data warehousing. It is a stands for the extract, transformer, and load. It is a process in which an ELT tools extract the data from various data sources systems. This is the OLAP. OLAP is a computer technology that allows query data and analysis it from different perspectives. And this is the data cubes and dimensional. The cube is used to represent data along some measurements of interest. So guys, thank you.